How to fix Snapchat keeps logging me out. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix your Snapchat. So during this procedure you have to make sure that you have not logged in with the same account to multiple devices. You can just go ahead and remove your account from other devices that you're not using it. And likewise, you could also go ahead and clear cache as well as data. For that, long press on your application and then go to the app info page. Right on this page, go to storage and cache and click on clear cache as well as data, and that should be able to fix the issue. And apart from it, you can also try uninstalling your Snapchat application and reinstalling it, and that should be able to fix it. Now if nothing seems to be working out, then you can try restarting your device and again re-log in into your Snapchat account, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. And likewise, what else you can do is you could also go ahead and set up two-factor authentication. For that, log in into your account and tap the gear icon. And here you should go ahead and tap on two-factor authentication and click on continue, and you should go ahead and enable this, and that should be able to fix the issue. So that is how you can fix the Snapchat keep logging you out issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.